Head guys, we're doing the team draw now for the 6 box break. It's 7:33 PM Melbourne time. Participants. Yeah, 3 times. Yeah, yuck. 1, 2, and 3. Yoink. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so we got D's for Heaper with the Warriors, KFC Lord with the Bulls, Van Hatten with the Jazz, Glenn McCubbin with the Cavs, Johnny Deegan with the Pistons, Reynolds with the Spurs, Ivan Cruz with the Wolves, Somerville with the Blazers, Kendall with Hawks, Glenbow with Magic and Knicks, Richard David with Lakers, Stashman and Kings, Lanyon with Rockets, Somerville with Sixers, Scumlord, Grizz and Pelicans, John Spence Hornets, Nathaniel Brooks' Suns, Lanyon Heat, Adrian with the Celtics, Jason with Lockie Clippers, Daly Pacers, Richard David Mavericks, Daly with the Thunder, Glenn McCubbin with the Bucks, D's Heaper with the Nets, Michael Paul with Wizards, Van Hatten with Raptors, and Matt Brown with the Nuggets. That is the list.